Imagine turning on your laptop, and suddenly your brain goes blank. You forgot your Windows password. No backup, no hint, no way in. Most people panic here. Some even think they lost everything, but what if I told you? You can unlock your PC in just a few minutes. Without reinstalling Windows, let me show you step by step. Before we start, this video is made for educational purposes only. Only use this method on your own computer or a device you have permission to access. First, we need a tool called Hiren's BootCD. This is a trusted recovery toolkit used by technicians. Go to the official website and download it. It might take some time. So while it's downloading, let's prepare the next thing. We'll also download Rufus. Rufus helps us create a bootable USB. Now, the official download can be slow sometimes. So I've provided a Google Drive link in the description for faster download. Once both files are ready, plug in your pendrive. Open Rufus. Select the Hiren's BootCD file. Now before clicking start, we need to check something important. To avoid errors, we need to know if your system uses GPT or MBR. Here's how. Go to Start menu. Search Disk Management. Right-click on Disk 0. Click Properties gives volumes. You'll see whether it's GPT or MBR. Now select the same option in Rufus. Click Start. It will format your pendrive and create the bootable USB. This process can take around 5 minutes or more, so be patient. Now let me show you something. My laptop is currently locked. It requires a password to enter. Let's reset it live. Restart your laptop. While it's turning on, press the key for boot menu. For my Asus laptop, it's ESC. For others, it could be F12, F9, or Dell. Now, select your USB drive, press enter. It will start loading files. This may take some time. After loading, you'll see a Windows-like interface. Now follow this path. Start menu gives, all programs gives, security gives, passwords gives, Windows login unlocker. Open it. You'll see user accounts. For me, my account is DAO itself. Select your account. Click reset, unlock. Click OK. That's it, your password is removed. Now, close everything. Remove the pendrive, restart your PC, select your account. And boom, you're in. No password needed. That's how you can reset a forgotten Windows password easily. No reinstall, no data loss. If this helped you, drop a like. And subscribe for more real tech tricks like this.